Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Ibarra, and for today's math lesson you're going to need some blocks, you're going to need your pencil, and you're going to need your math book. So pause the video and go get your stuff and then come back and push play. Let's start off today's lesson with our learning objective. This is what we are going to learn about today. Ready? Let's read this. I can write addition number sentences. Let's read it again. I can write addition number sentences. Now the first word I want to talk about is the word plus. So this word plus we use in math all the time. So when we are adding, we use the word plus in our number sentence. So for example, if I say 4 plus 2, I don't write the word plus. Usually what we'll do is we will put the symbol plus. And we say 4 plus 2. Okay, so plus is one of the words we're using today. Another word that I want to talk about today is the word equals. So equals is another word we're using, and equals looks like, the symbol for equals looks like this. It's two lines going horizontal or laying flat. Okay, again, when we have a number sentence, we say 2 plus 1. And now do not write the word equals. We usually write the symbol equals, which is the two lines that are horizontal like that. Equals. So let's read the sentence. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So instead of writing the word, we write the symbol. Okay, another word that I want to talk about is the word sum. So when we have a number sentence again, we might say 2 plus 2 equals what? 4. Now, 4 is the answer. That is called the sum. The sum is the answer in a addition sentence. It's the whole. We learned that last time. So when I ask for the sum, that means I want the answer to an addition number sentence. Okay, now the last vocabulary words I want to talk about are addition number sentence. So we've been talking about that. So let's see, a sentence, I know that a sentence is usually, we know what that is. That's usually like when you have a word, when you have a bunch of words together in a period. So if you say, I like to run, that is a sentence, right? Now, in math, we have sentences as well, but these are, and there's many types of sentences. One of the types of sentences is an addition number sentence. So when we have two parts and a whole, and we have some symbols, the plus symbol and the equal symbol, that is an addition number sentence. And you could read these sentences just like you would a regular sentence. Look, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Did you see how I read that addition number sentence? Here, now it's your turn. See if you can read this sentence. Ready? Oh, can you read that? Let's see, read it. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Great job. you just read an addition number sentence because it has a plus and equals, the parts and the whole. Great job. Now I have my cubes out, and we're going to make some addition number sentences using our cubes. Let's start. So, what if I have 1 cube right here? That's one part. And then I have 2 cubes over here. So, I have 1 cube plus 2 cubes equals what? 1, 2, 3 equals 3. How can I write that as a sentence? Let me show it to you again. I have 1 cube plus 2 cubes equals 3 cubes. Well, I think I could say this. I could say 1 cube plus 2 cubes equals 3 cubes. Correct? Great job. Let's try one more. What if I have 2 cubes plus 3 cubes, 2 cubes plus 3 cubes equals what? Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 5 cubes. Let's write that. 2 cubes plus 3 cubes equals 5 cubes. So did you see how I wrote my addition number sentence? I made sure I had a plus and I made sure I had an equals. Okay, now find your math book and find page 23 in your math book, and have your blocks ready. And we're going to tell a story, and I want you to work along with me. So, it says, there are 4 children playing tag. Oh, I know. I can get 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 children playing tag. I'll leave that right there. 2 more children join them. Okay, so let's get 2 more. 1, 2. So that's 2. 2 more children join them. How many children are playing tag in all? So, write an addition number sentence. Well, how could I make this into an addition number sentence? They already started it right here for us. Oh yeah, I could say 4 plus 2 equals what? Let's see, let's count it. 4, 5, 6 equals 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let's write that. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, great job. Now let's turn the page into the back side. Okay, so you can write an addition number sentence, and it's giving us an example right here. It says see, so there's 3 blue kites, 2 red kites. And then we say 3 plus 2 equals 5. So let's trace that. And now if we write the sentence, we will write it, instead of using the words plus and equals, we are going to use the symbols plus and equals. Ready? So we're going to write 3 plus, and I'm going to trace it, 2 equals 5. Got it? So 3 plus 2 equals 5 is an addition number sentence. Now here are some we need to do together. Write an addition number sentence. Okay, so how many green balloons do we see? That's right, I see 2. How many purple? 2. So I would say 2 plus, I'm going to write the symbol 2 equals, well, how many does that equal? Let's count it. 2, 3, 4 equals 4. Fantastic. Here are some planes. There's 2 different groups. What would you say here? That's right, 2, and then plus, I'll write the symbol, and how many is this? 3 equals, that's right, 5. Now, sometimes it might help you to circle these. So I'm going to circle this group that I see, and I'm going to circle this group that I see. That kind of helps me sometimes. So you could circle it if you want, or you don't have to. Whatever's easiest for you. And I would say this group has what? 3. This group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me write that. 3 plus 5. So let's count that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 8. All right, let's try this one. Do you want to circle it again? Sure. So I'm going to circle that group. I'm going to circle this group. And you could circle it if you want, or you don't have to. Okay, so I have 3 here and 3 here. So let's write that into a sentence. So 3 plus 3 equals, well, let's count that. 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6. Okay, so now what I want you to do is you're going to pause the video and you are going to work on the next 2 pages on your own. So on page numbers 25 and 26. After you are done, push play on the video and check your answers. For the first one, I have 1 and 2 right there. So I know 1 plus 2 equals something. So let's see, 1 plus 2 equals 3, because I have 3 in all. Did you get that? Great. How about here? I have one group right here, and I have another group right there. So let's circle that. Okay, so let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1. So 5 plus 1 equals 6, correct. So let's write that. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, great job. Next, we have 2 groups right there. I have this group, and I have this group. Okay, so let's see. I have 3 right here, and how many do I have over here? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 right there. So 3 plus 6 equals, I have to write that, 3 plus 6 equals what? What does it equal? Let's count it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we say 3 plus 6 equals 9. Fantastic. Okay, so let's circle our groups over here. All right, so I have 3 right here and 3 right here. So I'm going to say 3 plus 3 3 plus 3 equals what? Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6. Okay, now let's see this one with the dinosaurs. I circle this group of dinosaurs and this group of dinosaurs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have 1, 2, 3. So 4 plus 3 equals, let's write that, 4 plus 3 equals, so let's count it, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, so let's see, let's circle these bicycles and scooters. Okay, so how many scooters do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 scooters and 2 bicycles. So how would I write that as a number sentence? 4 plus 2 equals, let's count it, 4, 5, 6 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, did you get that right? Good. Now this one's easy. I have one group right here and one group right there. And I say 1 plus 1 equals, that's right, that's easy, 2. Here's this last one on this side, so let's circle the bags and the party hats. So I have 3 plus 2 equals, let's write that, 3 plus 2 equals, let's see, 3, 4, 5 equals 5. Great. Let's turn the page. Okay, so now let's do these word problems. So the first word problem says, there are 2 dogs playing. 3 more dogs join them. How many dogs are playing in all? Well, there's some clues here. So I'm going to circle 2 dogs that are playing. 3 more dogs join them. So 3 more dogs. I'm going to underline that. And we want to know how many dogs are playing. So I'm going to circle that. How many dogs are playing in all? So I can use my blocks to help me model that. So I know that there are 2 dogs playing. So I'm going to have 2 blocks. And I know 3 more dogs come on over, right, to join them. So that's 3 dogs. So 2 dogs plus 3 dogs equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 5 dogs. So let's write that sentence. 2 dogs plus 3 dogs equals 5 dogs. Okay, great. Now, I'm going to keep my blocks here so we can do the next one. Susie sees 2 bees flying around a flower. She sees 4 more bees on the flower. How many bees are there in all? So I see some more clues. Susie sees 2 bees flying. I'm going to underline that. Around a flower. She sees 4 more bees on the flower. How many bees are there in all? So I'm going to circle that because that is what we want to know. That's the question we have. So I'm going to use my blocks. So Susie sees 2 bees flying. So these are the bees she saw flying, 2 of them. She saw 4 more bees. 4 more bees on the flower. So that's 4 bees. So now if we have, what's our number sentence going to be? 2 plus 4 equals, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So let's write that. 2 plus 4 equals 6 bees. So that's how many she saw in all. Great. Okay, now let's read the last question. And it says, what does this symbol mean? So what does that symbol mean? Yeah, that's right. The symbol So this symbol here means equal to. Right? It means equal to. We talked about that today. So the equal symbol means is equal. Is equal to. The equal symbol means is equal to. All right. So that is it for today, boys and girls. So what I want you to do is make sure you take a picture of this side and submit it into Seesaw. All right. Have a great day. Bye.